Hello friends, today I'm going to review about this Microsoft Windows Phone that can you use it in 2021 a Windows Phone. So my answer is yes, you can use it but as a secondary phone, not as a primary phone like calling or messaging, and some apps are also supported. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's Technical Wire K. Let's unbox. So let's start this video. So you can use some of these apps like some games are also supported, but Temple Run is not supported in now. If you search in the store also, you will not get it. These are some games also you can use. Even Candy Crush is still available on Windows Phone. And this is the Microsoft Lumia 540 device. So you can also use the some of you can directly use the browser. You can use the YouTube directly from the browser, but you don't get any dedicated app for this. And I also made a video on WhatsApp, that how you can use a WhatsApp and you can install and run in 2021. I made a dedicated video, please do check that video. As you can see, I made this video on my channel, how to install and run WhatsApp on Windows Phone. So let me start this video. So what apps are supported, I will show you. You can also use the apps like it's still supporting like Telegram, I guess. Telegram, yeah, you can see Telegram. It will take a little bit of time. As you can see, this app is still supporting Telegram, Messenger. Let me see if Facebook is working, but I don't think Facebook is still working on in 2021. As you can see, it's not showing anything. These all are the third party apps, no Facebook. Let me check Instagram. No, all these are the third party apps. You don't get Instagram app, official app on Windows Phone. So you still get some app updates. As you can see, currently they are downloading some, updating some of these apps. As you can see, let me pause them all. I don't want to update it now. So you can use like messaging apps, and for calling purpose you can also use some of these games like let me play one of this game like Uzi Run. This game was famous at that time. It's like a temple run game. So let me volume is at max level. Let me make medium brightness level. Audio quality is not that good. Let me make brightness little bit low. so you still get some ads during playing this game. As you can notice that while playing there was some bugs. The while playing it was freezing. So let me go back. So still you can play the games well, but I was playing also, there was no any heating issue yet. This is the third party app. It's called Sixtag. It's from Instagram. So if you want to use Instagram on Windows Phone, then you have to download the Sixtag app. It's running good on this smartphone. So you can also do some work like Excel, Word. You can also use the Microsoft Dock, which is supplied separately, that you have to buy if you want to play it with on your TV and all. You can also play music if you want to use it for your music playing for music, then you can use this smartphone. Even the sound quality is great.
Reality and 2 steps ahead of present-day sexiness. Prepare yourself to attempt to conceive an inconceivable outer space adventure. Brace yourself for some...
As you can see, let me see the camera performance in 2021, how it performs. Let me search for camera. Yeah, as you can see, camera. Let me take some sample pictures. Not the best, I would say, but still it's taking some good pictures. Not the best. Let me see if it captures detail. Let me see if it shows all the detailing. As you can see, it shows, but the clarity is not that good. Let me see the front camera, how it works. So there is no focus for front facing camera. As you can see, it's not focusing. Let me open the gallery and see. Photos. Let me capture it again. I don't know why, but the photos were not stored in the photos gallery. Let me capture it again. not that bad, I would say, but still it captures, as you can see, the detailing, but it's a blur, but you can see still it's written Android 1. So camera performance, I would say average, below average, I would say, not the best. And here also there are some pro features if you want to control like ISO, or you want to control the focus, medium, auto. Let me see the, if you control, yeah, ISO also. If you want, max is around 1600, as you can see. Let me see the shutter speed. You can control it to 1 second max, and there is also a brightness. You can also control the brightness. What else is there? There is also a white balance. Want to switch it between different modes. There is no dark mode, I guess. I mean night mode. So that much we get. Let me see the settings. What we get. There is also a dedicated photo brush mode. If you press and hold the camera, so you can switch between videos or photo brush mode. Aspect ratio max is 16:9 or 4:3. Mean grade, if you want, the sum of the modes are available, only 4 are there. Forming grade, it's a default 6MP main camera. You can also switch between the focus light, use flash setting, auto, always off. You can also use the time lapse if you want. Video recording, max FPS of 2848 to 480p, 30 fps max. So that much it, guys. In video also there is a pro mode, so this is also a nice thing that you can control this, but there are limited one. You can control the white balance, like even you can control the focus in video mode. In video mode you don't get these types of features like controlling everything, but you do get. So this is the Facebook third-party app that you can use on this phone, like is the Air. Movies and TV, this is the app for videos, playing videos and all. So basically I want to say that if you want to use it for fun purpose, for if you want to use it like a MP3 player or MP4 player, you can use it, but not as a primary phone, because you don't get all these things. Even the WhatsApp also, sometimes the bugs are there, sometimes it freezes, it doesn't work properly. Let me play another game for how it works. Let me play this Candy Crush Saga, how it works. Right now it's max volume. So it will take time to load. It's having 1 GB RAM and 8 GB internal, and I think quad-core processor, Qualcomm 210 I guess, or 220, Snapdragon processor.
Sweet. Tasty.
As you can see, the Candy Crush plays well on this phone still. It takes time to open and close the start button. You can also control the music from the start. I guess I will show you how it works. That is that Grow Music. Let me just make the volume low because of some copyright issues. Just play this song. Now if you switch it off, here you can see directly you can control from here. If you want to change the song, you can also change. Now you can't change it from album, so let me switch from albums to the songs. So now you can change the songs easily. Now you can change the song. As you can see, directly you can change it from here. If you are in album, you can't change. If you click the song option, then you can change directly from here. As you can see, this is quite good feature. It's missing on Android, I guess, but you get the setting in Play Store if you want. You can just switch it off because of some copyright issues. So this was it, guys. So you can use it, but as a secondary phone, I guess. I showed you most of the things that you can do in this Lumia phones or Windows phone, whichever you are having. So thank you guys for do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.